If you're over 60, here's a truth you might not expect. That sagging skin, those creaking knees, the slow recovery from a simple bump, they all point to one culprit: collagen loss. From 50, your body's natural collagen production drastically slows. By 60, it's barely a whisper. That's precisely why your skin thins, your joints stiffen, and your energy levels drop far too quickly. But there's truly good news. Forget expensive powders or complex supplements. The secret? Real fruits. The kind you already have. They can powerfully stimulate your body's natural collagen production. This isn't a quick fix, but a gentle internal rebuilding process that happens progressively. In this video, I'll unveil 6 of the most potent collagen-boosting fruits every older adult needs to discover. Each fruit offers distinct benefits. Some visibly firm your skin, others safeguard your joints, and a select few actively prevent rapid collagen breakdown. Make sure you stay until the very end, because the final fruit, it's often ignored, yet it could be your ultimate secret to truly graceful aging. Now, before we dive in, let me know in the comments, where are you tuning in from and what's your go-to fruit? And for more science-backed health insights tailored just for you, hit that subscribe button now. 1. Kiwi, the tiny fruit with big collagen power. Let's kick things off with a powerful green secret often underestimated: the kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and unassuming, yet it stands as one of your body's most potent allies for collagen regeneration, particularly in your later years. Its true power isn't just its refreshing taste, it's hidden within. This fruit is absolutely packed with vitamin C, significantly more than an orange, and that's the essential nutrient your body demands to synthesize collagen. Imagine vitamin C as the vital spark igniting the transformation of raw nutrients into resilient collagen fibers. The very fabric that keeps your skin firm, your joints effortlessly cushioned, and your blood vessels flexible. Without sufficient amounts, this crucial process halts. This explains why so many older adults experience thinning skin, stiff joints, and prolonged healing. It's not solely age, but a critical vitamin deficit preventing collagen from performing its essential duties. The science is undeniable. Research from the University of Otago in New Zealand revealed that older adults consistently consuming vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi showed elevated collagen-related enzyme activity and enhanced skin elasticity. Put simply, your body inherently understands how to utilize this fruit. It merely awaits the opportunity. Beyond collagen, kiwi offers another significant advantage for aging bodies. It's incredibly gentle on the stomach. Its soft, fiber-rich texture makes it easy to digest, a crucial benefit as digestion naturally slows. Even just half a kiwi daily can initiate a remarkable change. Consider Mrs. Green, a 72-year-old patient from Sarasota, Florida. She simply began adding a small kiwi to her breakfast daily. Within weeks, she exclaimed, "Doctor, my skin no longer feels paper thin, and my knees ache far less when I garden." This isn't magic. It's the power of targeted nutrition finally delivering where it matters most. Therefore, if you're wary of supplements that upset your stomach or strain your wallet, begin with this simple step. Slice kiwi into your yogurt, toss it into a salad, or simply enjoy it by the spoonful. It's your natural pathway to fostering strength, flexibility, and resilience from within. And speaking of vitamin C superstars, our next fruit elevates that power to an entirely new dimension, a hidden gem most people are completely unaware of. 2. Guava, the hidden collagen champion. Now let's explore a fruit that doesn't just assist collagen, it fundamentally supercharges it. If you've ever sought the definitive natural source of vitamin C, your search ends now. It's guava. This tropical powerhouse eclipses oranges, kiwis, and even strawberries. Just one single guava delivers more vitamin C than most adults consume in an entire day. A truly monumental advantage for safeguarding your skin and joints beyond 60. Vitamin C acts as the crucial ignition key for all collagen production. Without it, your body simply cannot transform amino acids into the robust, elastic collagen fibers essential for holding everything together: your skin's integrity, your tendons' strength, even your blood vessels' flexibility. But guava's power extends far beyond this. It's also densely packed with vital trace minerals like zinc and copper, which function as critical assistants, actively empowering the enzymes that meticulously assemble these collagen fibers. Envision it as providing your body's rebuilding team with superior tools, enabling them to perfectly reconstruct what time has diminished. Guava also offers a uniquely gentle profile, making it ideal for older adults. It's naturally sweet, perfectly balanced in acidity, incredibly soft on digestion, and exceptionally high in fiber, crucial for robust gut health. This subtle benefit is far more vital than many realize. When digestion slows, even the healthiest diet won't deliver its full potential if nutrients aren't properly absorbed. Guava's fiber actively enhances gut function, ensuring your body effectively absorbs the precise nutrients required for collagen repair. A healthy gut directly translates to a stronger, more resilient body. I vividly recall one viewer, Elaine from Tucson, Arizona. At 74, she began blending half a guava into her morning smoothie daily. Within weeks, she observed her bruises healing quicker, her skin feeling noticeably less delicate, and her energy sustaining more steadily throughout the day. This isn't sorcery. It's the direct outcome of providing your body with the precise ingredients in optimal balance. Consider this a powerful bonus. Guava feels like an indulgence, yet functions with medicinal efficacy. Enjoy it fresh, scoop it directly from the skin, or integrate it into yogurt or salads. And if fresh isn't available, frozen guava retains much of its potent nutrient value. So, if you've ever pondered the origin of a mysterious bruise or why your skin takes longer to heal, this remarkable fruit holds a powerful answer. Commit to trying it and allow your body to demonstrate the profound difference. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced guava, fresh, juiced, or frozen? Type 2. Guava in the comments and tell me where you're watching from. I'm eager to discover how many of you possess this hidden champion right in your own gardens. 3. Blueberries, the little guardians of your collagen. Now let's explore blueberries, those tiny sweet jewels, deceptively potent. Unlike kiwi or guava, blueberries don't actively construct collagen. Instead, their role is equally critical. They rigorously defend the collagen you already possess. After 60, this protection becomes paramount, as your body sheds collagen at an accelerated rate, leading to thinning skin, aching joints, and sluggish recovery. Here's precisely how blueberries intervene. Their vibrant deep blue hue derives from compounds known as anthocyanins, potent antioxidants actively combating the relentless oxidative stress that silently erodes your collagen. Daily aggressors like sun exposure, environmental pollution, insufficient sleep, and even chronic inflammation relentlessly dismantle the fibers anchoring your skin, joints, and blood vessels. Blueberries function as an impenetrable shield, decisively retarding this damage and preserving your existing collagen, ensuring it remains robust for longer. Consider Harold, 68, a patient from Portland, Oregon, whose hands once resembled crumpled paper. I recommended he incorporate a handful of blueberries into his morning oatmeal. Weeks later, he reported, "Doc, my skin doesn't look brand new, but it certainly feels significantly tougher and less dry." This highlights the true power of this fruit. No sudden miracles, just profound, steady restoration. Beyond this, blueberries perform another crucial, subtle feat. They actively diminish glycation. This is the process where blood sugar bonds with collagen, rendering it rigid and brittle, a primary culprit behind skin losing elasticity and joints becoming painfully stiff. The potent antioxidants in blueberries effectively decelerate this destructive process, preserving your collagen's flexibility and optimal function. And the ultimate benefit? Unrivaled ease. No peeling, no mess, absolutely no preparation required. Simply toss them into yogurt, blend into a smoothie, scatter over pancakes, or just enjoy a handful as a quick snack. For older adults seeking straightforward, high-impact habits, blueberries are the quintessential choice. While they won't halt the passage of time, they can profoundly empower your body to age with remarkable grace, cultivating stronger joints, more stable circulation, and skin that retains its resilience and form for an extended period. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. How frequently do you enjoy blueberries, and what's your favorite way to savor them? Drop a 3 blueberries in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. Your personal story could be the spark that inspires someone else to begin actively protecting their collagen today. 4. Oranges, the bright, gentle builder of collagen. Now let's rediscover a fruit so ingrained in our lives, we often overlook its profound power. The orange. Simple, widely available, and exceptionally beneficial for your body, especially past 60. Oranges stand out as one of the most senior-friendly methods to consistently fuel your collagen production. They are mild on the stomach, deeply hydrating, fiber-rich, and abundantly packed with the single most crucial nutrient your body relies on for collagen synthesis, vitamin C. Herein lies the unique brilliance of oranges. They don't merely provide vitamin C, they deliver it within a perfectly balanced matrix of water and fiber. With age, digestion inevitably slows, directly impacting nutrient absorption. The naturally occurring vitamin C in oranges is both remarkably easy to digest and highly bioavailable, meaning your body can readily and efficiently utilize it. A single orange daily provides a consistent, gentle supply of vitamin C, optimizing absorption without overwhelming your system or causing digestive distress. The scientific evidence is compelling. A 2020 review in Nutrients explicitly linked diets abundant in vitamin C-rich fruits, especially citrus, to enhanced skin elasticity and accelerated wound healing in older adults. This research unequivocally confirmed that consistent, moderate consumption, rather than sporadic megadoses, is what genuinely sustains long-term collagen formation. This precise, steady, unassuming efficacy is what truly distinguishes oranges, and precisely the enduring support your body seeks at this stage of life. Consider another essential, understated benefit: hydration. Collagen absolutely requires water for proper structural integrity, yet dehydration plagues many older adults, frequently misdiagnosed as mere fatigue, dry skin, or even joint discomfort. Every succulent orange you consume acts as a refreshing infusion of nourishment for your cells, providing both the vital tools and the optimal environment for inherent rebuilding and repair. Furthermore, there's an undeniable emotional resonance with oranges, the sheer delight of peeling one, its invigorating scent awakening your senses, the vibrant burst of color like pure sunshine in your hands. This profound sensory experience can genuinely elevate your mood, mitigate stress hormones, and transform healthy eating into a genuinely anticipated pleasure. Because when food truly brings joy, consistency naturally follows. And that consistent dedication is precisely what delivers a tangible impact on your collagen health. Numerous older patients consistently report that after just weeks of daily orange consumption, their skin feels considerably less dry, their joints exhibit greater fluidity in the mornings, and they simply feel profoundly more alive. These are not miraculous occurrences. These are definitive indicators that the body is finally receiving the precise nourishment it inherently requires. Therefore, never undervalue this ubiquitous fruit. It may lack exotic flair, but it is unequivocally dependable, remarkably affordable, and profoundly powerful. And speaking of healthy fats that synergistically enhance vitamin C's efficacy, our next fruit may genuinely astonish you. It's wonderfully creamy, exceptionally heart-healthy, and stands as one of the most formidable allies for both your skin and joints. 5. Avocado, the silent protector of collagen. Now let's move to one of my favorite foods for aging skin and joints, the avocado. Most people don't immediately connect avocados with collagen, but they absolutely should. While this creamy fruit doesn't contain much vitamin C, what it offers is just as essential: healthy fats and vitamin E. These two nutrients are like the maintenance crew that keeps your skin elastic, your joints smooth, and your tissues strong. Here's the thing. One of the biggest enemies of collagen after 60 is inflammation. As we age, low-grade inflammation becomes a quiet background noise in the body. It slowly weakens the connective tissue that holds everything together: skin, tendons, cartilage, even blood vessels. The monounsaturated fats in avocado help calm that fire from the inside out. When inflammation goes down, your body can finally focus on repair, and that includes keeping collagen healthy. Vitamin E adds another layer of protection. It's one of nature's strongest antioxidants, and it shields collagen fibers from oxidative stress while helping the skin barrier stay strong. I had a lovely patient in Santa Barbara, Margaret, age 71, who started eating half an avocado each morning with a squeeze of lemon. A month later, she told me, "Doctor, my hands don't crack like they used to, and my skin feels soft again." That's not coincidence. That's vitamin E doing its quiet work. The texture of avocado also makes it ideal for older adults. Soft, easy to chew, and gentle on the stomach. You can mash it on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or even scoop it right out of the shell with a little salt. However you eat it, Those healthy fats are doing more than keeping you full. They're helping your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, all vital for skin repair, bone strength, and collagen stability. Avocado doesn't shout for attention, but over time it shows results in subtle, beautiful ways. Skin that stays hydrated, hands that move without stiffness, and joints that feel more comfortable. Collagen isn't only about what your body builds, it's about how well you protect what's already there. And speaking of protection, the final fruit might surprise you. It's bright red, loaded with antioxidants, and one of the best natural shields against collagen breakdown. 6. Tomatoes, the red shield that protects your collagen. Now let's talk about a fruit you probably eat every week without realizing how powerful it really is. The tomato. Bright, juicy, and often sitting quietly on your plate. Tomatoes are one of the strongest defenders your collagen has. Inside that red flesh lives a nutrient called lycopene, a natural antioxidant that acts like armor for your skin, joints, and connective tissues. Here's what makes lycopene so special. As we age, our bodies face a daily battle against sun exposure, pollution, and low-grade inflammation. All of these accelerate collagen breakdown. The reason skin thins, wrinkles deepen, and joints lose their cushion. Lycopene helps stop that process before it starts. It shields your collagen fibers from oxidative stress, protecting the scaffolding beneath your skin that keeps everything firm and supported. I remember one of my patients, Carol from Austin, Texas, 69 years old, retired teacher, and lifelong gardener. She used to say her hands felt rough and dry from years in the sun. I suggested she start adding cooked tomatoes or tomato soup to her meals a few times a week. A month later, she smiled and said, "My skin doesn't feel as leathery, and I'm not seeing as many little lines on my cheeks." That's lycopene quietly doing its job, protecting, not pretending to perform miracles. There's another bonus. Cooking tomatoes actually boosts their lycopene power. So your favorite stews, soups, and pasta sauces aren't just comforting. They're strengthening your body from the inside out. Heat breaks down the tomato's cell walls, making lycopene easier for your body to absorb. And if you drizzle a bit of olive oil or add avocado, that healthy fat helps your system absorb even more of it. Some older adults also notice that regular tomato intake improves circulation, especially in their hands and face. That means better blood flow, more oxygen, and a fresh supply of nutrients reaching your skin and joints, all essential for collagen repair. You don't need to eat buckets of tomatoes to see results. Just small, steady servings. A few slices in your salad, a cup of soup, or a spoonful of sauce with dinner. The consistency is what counts. It's easy to overlook something so common, but sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful. Tomatoes might not look fancy, but they quietly help you stand taller, heal faster, and age with more comfort and confidence. If you've made it this far, I'd love to know, how do you enjoy your tomatoes? Fresh, cooked, or blended? Type 6. Tomatoes in the comments and tell me your favorite way to eat them. Before we wrap up, take a quiet moment to think about your day. How many of these 6 fruits are already part of your routine? And more importantly, which one could you start adding today to help your body heal and strengthen from within? Collagen loss doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow, silent process that touches everything. Your skin, your joints, even your energy. But the good news is you can fight back naturally. Fruits like kiwi, guava, blueberries, oranges, avocados, and tomatoes work together to rebuild, protect, and nourish the collagen your body depends on. You don't need fancy supplements or complicated plans. Just one small, consistent choice each day, one more fruit on your plate, can make a real difference. With time, you'll notice the quiet rewards: smoother movement, brighter skin, and that wonderful feeling of being at home in your body again. That's what health after 60 is all about. Not chasing youth, but preserving strength, balance, and joy. So tell me, which of these 6 fruits will you start with? Drop your answer in the comments. I read everyone. Share your age and where you're watching from too. I love seeing how far the Senior Health Guard family reaches around the world. And don't forget, hit like if this video gave you hope, subscribe for more doctor-backed health tips, and share it with someone who deserves to feel strong and confident again. In our next video, we'll explore 7 simple drinks that boost collagen and joint comfort naturally. You won't want to miss it.